Hi everyone, my name is Frekhtman and I'm a personal injury trial lawyer here in New York City. And today I wanted to talk about one of the things that happens medically after someone gets a surgery, usually an arthroscopic surgery. So I was handling this one case on behalf of a very nice gentleman, and he was hit in the rear by a van with $1 million policy. And he ended up having an arthroscopic knee surgery for a meniscal tear in his knee. And usually that kind of an injury with good liability, being hit in the rear while stopped, 100% liability, that kind of an injury usually commands $100,000, $150,000, maybe a little bit more. But in this case, we were able to get $750,000. And how did we do it? Well, after he had the surgery, he continued to complain of pain. And so we sent him to a specialist, and the specialist wrote a report that according to his clinical findings, this patient may need a total knee replacement. In fact, the orthopedic surgeon recommended a total knee replacement. Now, this client did not get it. He was afraid. He didn't get it. And what ended up happening is, as he was favoring the other leg, the non-surgical leg, he ended up getting a torn meniscus in that leg as well. So he's had one surgery and now he needed a second surgery. And that's something that just medically happens. That's one of the known foreseeable health issues that happen after a serious injury to one of the knees. So we argued that when we picked a jury, before the jury and the judge, and we also argued the fact that he needs the total knee replacement, and that got the defendants, who had a $1 million policy, to pay us $750,000 on what usually is only a $100,000 or less case. So I hope this has been helpful. Just one of the ways that we fight and win for you, our clients. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.